Hello, I am Dharmisha Prajapati. Today we will learn lesson number 4 Introducing Publisher 2013. Publisher is a program that allows you to create a document such as a brochures, labels, cards, certificates, flyers, etc. It has a several predefined templates that help in quick and easy designing of document. Publisher comes as a part of the Office package. Now next step is how to start a publisher. So here given some steps. First of all, click on start button, then select all program, then select Microsoft Office 2013 and finally click on Publisher 2013. Here given the figure which gives information how to open a Publisher 2013. Now you will see the starting screen of Publisher 2013. When you click on Publisher, you will see this type of screen on the computer. Now here given a option, here we select built-in if you want to have a look at the template available. Now next one is click the greeting cards thumbnail to display the greeting cards templates. So when you click on these greeting cards, you will see a number of options. Here we select all birthday option. When you click on all birthday option, you will see all the birthday options will display. Here we select last one option, birthday 78. When you click on all birthday, it show the entire setup template for birthday card. So here we select last one, birthday 78 option. Now customizing the template. You can customizing the card by changing its color scheme. You can also add your business contact information and change the paper size and layout style. So when you select the last one option, birthday 78, left side you can see there customizing the template. See color scheme. Here we select bluebird, then click font scheme drop down menu arrow given there, select there default, then select business information. Here click business information drop down arrow. Here we select custom one, then click page size drop down arrow. Here we select quarter sheet side fold and finally select layout of the page and then click on create option. You can see this type of birthday card you can generate in a publisher. Here given the screen of the birthday card see which are the element. See quick access toolbar, page navigation pane, rulers, tabs, groups, commands, ribbon, scratch area both side of the birthday card that is called scratch area, margin guide, status bar, horizontal scroll bar. When you click on Publisher 2013, you can see this type of screen. Here given number of options. See personal, design sheets, labels, event, paper, business, cards. You can select as per your requirement. Here given two options. We can select second one built-in. See in this way. Design, labels, event. These are the options. Here we select built-in. Then here given advertisement, award certificate, but select greeting card. Then here also given number of options, but all birthday, all holidays. Here we select all birthday. So related to birthday, all the card will open. See here we select last one birthday card 78. So its related options open here. Here we select color scheme. Click on drop down menu and select there bluebird. Then second font scheme by default business information, click on this, select that custom one. Then page size, quarter sheet fold and layout. So set in this way all the option. Then finally click on create button. See, in this way we can generate birthday card.